Good morning. It is the morning of my birthday. Eli back there. Easton's taking a shower right now. If you guys didn't know, Easton lived with me for a little while. You guys know Easton. He went bridge jumping with me, Colin, Izzy. We are going to the car meet. We are coming back home with Liberty and maybe Kayvon, and then getting ready for my party. This is not the outfit I'm wearing for my party. It's just the outfit that I'm wearing for the car meet. You guys will get a glimpse of what's going on today. Mostly everything that's going on today, because I'm gonna try to film as much as I can. Hi, Eli. I have a horrible habit of staring at the viewfinder, not the lens. So I'm gonna get used to that. I will see you guys on our way to Sunset Logics, and when we get there, we'll the car meet, as I can say. But yeah, peace.
Hey, how's it going?
Hello, we are at McDonald's right now.
I'm loving it. I'm hungry. Give me my food.
Yeah.
So yeah, today, my vlog, guys, we're going to pick up Liberty after the car meet. Car meet's gonna be lit. I'm thirsty.
We are back home. Liberty and Easton are brushing dishes right now. Eli's in the other room, and my mom's cleaning.
Hey.
So we are getting ready for my party. Waiting until a couple of people arrive. We have to pick up Kayvon later on. We already cleaned the pool. That already got done yesterday. Now we're just waiting on to decorate.
You didn't even hit your own ball.
Woo!
Get through this without you. Bother me. Tell me you do that. Really in the rear view.
Back at it, and it was so cringy. Oh my god, myself. What? It was fun.
Yeah. You okay? You okay?
Seriously, dude, you guys will just start recording random crap and I won't notice, and all of a sudden there'll just be like phone and the flash is on. I'm like, ah. Like I
had my stepdad write your name on the front because he has really nice handwriting.
Oh, okay. Oh wow. Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you. Thank you.
Because of who? Don't fall asleep later.
You know me, I don't think about my decision in the morning. She called me.
Oh my gosh, okay.
God. Excuse me.
Thank you. I actually needed some because my lights don't work anymore.
Hey, you're supposed to be saving money for a car. What are you thinking?
You gotta make an exception. Yeah, that's for me and
I ran out of tape, so I used my crew tape, so it smells like eucalyptus. I'm sorry.
I knew it. Because you asked what bed size I had.
Actually, no, that was for something different, but never mind. Just don't worry about it.
Yeah, that's the thing that I was gonna
Good thing the gyms are opening up.
Yeah, put your...
I like the drive.
You wanted me to struggle, didn't you?
Yeah.
Me and Keegan went to Walmart yesterday to find it because I wanted it.
They don't have it at Walmart.
And this one because I'm almost out of this one. Oh my god. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Seriously.
Oh, it's a tiny camping chair. Perfect.
Hopefully it works for your camera. I actually ordered the one from my camera.
This is a lot more high tech than my tripod.
Not like the same one that there.
That's fun. I was like, if you want to give me anything for my birthday, give me like 6 bottles of that perfume. 'Cause I can really use it.
She'll need more in like a month.
Yeah, literally.
Like, I'm not gonna
Harder in the back though.
That's a different picture. She gotta look good in this picture. The one I have.
That's a different one.
Give me some of them tortilla chips, bro. They're looking pretty zesty over there. You wanna give me a couple?
Your mom's just looking at me.
I'm trying to figure out what you're doing.
You got 8 bad brown. Count.
Oh yeah, stop.